when it comes to being called heroes.
I think everybody's calling us that, but still, I think anybody can do it.
얼마 전 미국 텍사스에서 일어난 사건에 대해 들어보셨을 겁니다. 크리켓 매장에서 일하는 17살 소녀가 대낮에 성폭행을 당할 뻔일인데요. 위기 상황에서 비명을 지른 미국인 소녀를 구하러 온 사람들, 바로 태권도 8단, 합기도 6단을 보유한 태권도 사범 안한주 씨와 그의 가족들이었죠. 대낮에 매장을 터는 간 큰 강도는 물론이고 미성년자를 상대로 한 성범죄까지 빈번하게 일어나는 미국이지만 이런 사람들이 이웃이라면 안심할 수 있을 것 같습니다. 오늘은 미국 현지에서 태권도 가족으로 이름을 날리고 있는 안한주 씨와 이번 사건에 대한 미국인들의 솔직한 반응을 살펴보겠습니다.
And this will make you smile today. You couldn't ask for a better rescue team. Check it out. Harris County Sheriff Ed Gonzalez posted this picture of a family of Taekwondo instructors who knew what to do to help a stranger. Now, the sheriff says a woman was screaming for help, so they sprang into action. Stephen Goen walks us through what happened.
Stand up!
All families fight. It's true.
Hey, horseback says, ready, 준비, take!
But for the An family, it's a way of life and the family business.
I mean, it's my everything. I started when I was 4.
Hey, hands up!
Still, this family couldn't have imagined just how important their years of Taekwondo training would be until yesterday.
Show me!
When the Ans were coming back from a late lunch around 4 p.m., 20-year-old Simon says he heard screams at the Cricket Wireless store next door.
And the second scream, we knew it was like a cry for help.
When they opened the doors, 22-year-old Hannah says they saw something horrible.
And I saw a man on top of a woman, and the woman is on the ground.
Okay, 차려!
After that, it only took a moment for their dad, Grandmaster Han An, to jump in. He grabbed the suspect and took him down.
And he just kept him in the corner. He just kept pushing down.
Automatic self-defense, automatic taekwondo style.
Simon and his brother, 18-year-old Christian, also stepped in to help, while Hannah and her mom Hong took the woman back to their dojo.
Making sure that she's okay, because she needed that after that experience.
According to Sheriff Ed Gonzalez, when deputies arrived, that suspect, identified as 19-year-old Alex Robinson, was still pinned to the floor.
He was clawing his way out. He bit my dad.
Back at the dojo, Grandmaster Han didn't seem too rattled by any of it.
Yeah, of course, I'm very proud of my family.
His family just grateful, they tell me, to have been in the right place at the right time. When it comes to being called heroes,
I think everybody's calling us that, but still, I think anybody can do it.
범죄 현장에 망설임 없이 뛰어들어 피해자를 구출한 태권도 가족. 태권도 도장의 관장이자 그랜드 마스터인 안한주 씨와 그의 아들은 용의자를 움직이지 못하게 제압했고 다른 가족들은 피해자를 태권도장으로 데려와 진정시켰다고 하죠. 신속한 판단 덕분에 범죄를 막은 것은 물론이고 용의자도 경찰에 무사히 넘길 수 있었다고 하는데요. 현재 범인은 성폭행, 미수폭행, 구금 등의 혐의로 구속됐다고 합니다. 만약 안한주 씨의 가족이 없었다면 어떤 끔찍한 일이 벌어졌을지 생각하고 싶지도 않을 정도인데요. 신고를 받고 출동한 해당 지역의 보안관이 태권도 가족에 대한 이야기를 소셜미디어에 올려 큰 화제가 된 것입니다. 사실 소송 천국 미국에서는 사람을 구해주고도 소송을 당할 수 있다고 하죠. 개인주의적인 데다 선행을 베풀려다가 오히려 피해를 당할 수도 있기 때문에 안 씨 가족처럼 적극적으로 나서는 이들이 드물다고 하는데요. 의인들의 등장에 미국인들 역시 잔뜩 환호했습니다. 워싱턴 포스트를 비롯한 미국 주요 매체에서 이 사건에 대해 보도했고요. 영웅이 늘 망토를 두르는 것은 아니다. 놀라운 가족, 정말 멋지다. 아이가 태권도를 배우고 있는데 이 뉴스를 보고 나니 태권도를 가르치기 정말 잘했다는 생각이 든다. 20대 여성인의 호신술로 태권도를 배우기로 결심했다. 당장 도장에 갈 생각이다와 같은 반응이 쏟아졌죠. 안한주 관장의 부인 안홍현 씨는 국내 매체와의 인터뷰에서 일이 이렇게 커질 줄 몰랐다며 비슷한 일이 벌어지더라도 망설임 없이 행동할 것이라는 대답을 하기도 했는데요. 더욱 놀라운 것은 태권도 가족의 태권도 실력입니다. 우선 안한주 관장은 앞서 말씀드린 것처럼 태권도 8단의 합기도 6단의 그랜드 마스터이고요. 그에 따라 두 아들 역시 태권도 5단이라고 하죠. 부인인 안홍현 씨도 태권도 4단으로 가족 모두가 엄청난 고수라고 하는데요. 해야 할 일을 한 것뿐이다. 이번 일을 계기로 태권도가 더 많이 알려졌으면 좋겠다는 안 씨 가족. 다른 매체의 인터뷰 내용을 추가로 전해드리겠습니다.
to notice that the man was kind of hugging the lady, and I was in the back seat of the car. I completely didn't notice, and so my dad thought it was just horseplay. He thought maybe it was a couple. He didn't think of it. From there, when he exited his car, he heard the first scream.
So tell me about the screams, because I think that was really significant in all of your decision to take action.
Yeah. So the first scream, my dad noticed it primarily. I didn't notice it because I was just in the far back of the car. So when he noticed it, he thought maybe, again, it was just horseplay, just kind of playing around, a little harsh. So when he was trying to open our building, when we all heard a second scream.
And then what happened? Did you all five decide to take action together and run into the cellular phone store next door?
Yeah, so my dad kind of led the charge. He just immediately knew something was wrong. And so from there, he opened the Cricket store to see no one inside that phone display area. And so he just ran out into the back where there was an employee's room and opened the door to see the man on top of the female employee with his hands over her mouth like this.
And what did your dad do right at that moment when he saw that?
He just knew it was just an intruder. It was just someone bad. So he just grabbed him by the collar of his shirt and pulled him away from the female employee and into the corner of the phone display.
Dad have to actually use any of these techniques, or have you yourself ever had to use something like this?
No, it's just kind of we do teach it in our classes, but never in a real life situation would I have ever, use it. Maybe a kick or a punch, but never really just those teaching where it's like all about grabbing. No, I would never have thought to have used it.
So Simon, as I understand, while, you and your dad were keeping this guy in place and waiting for the police to arrive, I think it was about 10 minutes, your mom and I think your sister took the victim, the woman, over next door to your dojo to make sure she was okay. Is she okay?
Just in that moment, she was very thankful. She just came into my sister's arm and just kind of hugged her, saying, "Thank you, thank you, thank you," multiple times. And from there, my sister and my mom took her in to where they just had her calm down. And from there, I don't really know what happened because I was just in that Cricket store. But after that situation, the victim went back to her home.
오늘은 의로운 행동으로 미국을 깜짝 놀라게 한 태권도 가족의 이야기를 전해드렸습니다. 이번 내용도 흥미로우셨다면 좋아요와 구독 버튼 눌러주시면 감사하겠습니다. 항상 함께 해주시는 구독자, 시청자 여러분 감사합니다.